Hey guys, Houston here. So we've run into our first problems, I guess, with the pickup. So we were driving home, we picked up some food, we were driving home, and the pickup thought it was a good idea to throw a check engine light and reduce speed. I'm not too sure what's going on with it. We have an appointment in the morning to go to the dealership. Yeah, and I just filled up, so I'm not too sure what had happened.
Everything was going good this month.
Yeah, so you guys know we have a 2024 Chevy Silverado LTZ, and it's got about 23,000 miles on it now. We took us all down the West Coast, and yeah, we're running into our first problem with it. It's yeah, it's running. It was running great, but I took it in to get a service about 2 weeks ago, and they did a recall, and it was a diff. Something with the diff, and I should have never done it, I guess, because now we're in trouble. We got a check engine light, and we're reduced speed, and
we were only going 30 miles an hour
to begin with, and it said reduce speed. So come along with us and see what the dealership does tomorrow. And luckily, it's our local dealership, and they're pretty good. They're on top of it. So I called my service advisor, and I said, hey, I got a check engine light. He said, bring it in tomorrow, and we'll get it figured out. Hopefully they can get it figured out tomorrow, because we got a little bit, we don't got much longer here before we plan to hit the road and head east. So come along with us, keep on watching. Been an awesome truck. We got about 23,000 miles on it now, and 23,292 to be exact. And we have a check engine light, as you can see. It is yeah, you'll see that check engine light. So we went all down the West Coast, and it ran phenomenal. And they just did this simple recall, and now we're in trouble, I guess. So we'll see what they do tomorrow. If we keep you updated, we'll take you along with us, and we'll see. We'll take you along with us, and you can see what they do, and we'll kind of, yeah, we'll video it tomorrow. We'll see what they say. But until then, keep on watching. Hopefully we're not in a rental car, but if we are, we'll bring you along with us.
What is it?
Turbocharger OE replacement. Turbocharger harness, the flow of exhaust gases that spins internal turbine, the turbine then for. So, replace turbocharger assembly is what it's saying. And then it gave me the code P-0299. A failed turbocharger will cause decreased engine power.
Hey guys, so we had to go to AutoZone because I knew Houston wouldn't sleep tonight unless we knew exactly what was wrong with this truck. So we drove to AutoZone. Honestly, it's been kind of weird when we were driving, but because it's all back roads, we felt safe driving it there. We're only going like 30 to 40 miles an hour, so. But it's saying his turbocharger.
Here's the code that it gave us,
P-0299. So we'll see when we go to the dealership tomorrow what happens.
Come along with us, keep on watching. This is the start of figuring out what's wrong with our 2024 Chevy Silverado LTZ. That's definitely not our truck. I went this morning and dropped off the truck about 7:30, and they tried to figure it out, and they just couldn't figure it out. So they're going to put a diesel tech on it either today or tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys updated. It's they ran the codes there, and it was under boost as one, and yeah, that's what it says. Is it's just under boost. So we'll see what they say. So guys, you can tell that we are all new to this. This thing is tiny. I mean, it is tiny. It's a 2024 Chevy Trailblazer, but it is small. I mean,
That's with my seat all the way back.
well, you're gonna have to put it forward.
No, I can't sit in it. Can he just cross his legs? He had his foot stuck and he said, ow. And then I had to pull it out.
Let's see you get in here.
Oh, God. With the seat all the way back, I can fit.
This is like a little clown car. This thing is way smaller than a big full-size pickup. Come along with us. Hey guys, as you can see, we are back in the Chevy. They got the code cleared. And it was, yeah, a turbocharger. But they cleared the code, seeing if we could redo it again. They went through it. They couldn't find a problem. But yeah, so come along with us and we'll keep you guys updated. Until then, keep on watching.
Hi guys, so they cleared the code, but the reason why they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, they went through and checked everything and said it runs fine, and maybe it was just electronical error or I don't know, but we'll see if our biggest fear is us to be driving to the East Coast and then it break down, because we have some awesome service advisors locally and they take care of us. So I don't know, whenever we're somewhere else they always say, oh, it's going to take like 3 weeks, because they want to take care of their customers that they have that have bought vehicles from them. So that's our biggest fear, but right now it seems to be running fine. So we appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you.
So there was an update that they had to do, and I don't know if maybe the update was the cause of this.
The update was for the diff, right?
They did an update for the diff, and then they had another recall for to update the system
In the radio.
In the radio, but I'm not sure what it was. But we got it figured out, hopefully. But until then, keep on watching, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Tell them about Rolling with Sanchezs, please. We appreciate every support that we can get. Hey guys, on today's episode of Rolling with Sanchezs, we are going to give you a little update. You guys, a little update. So let me give you guys a little update of how the truck is running. We've had it about a week and a half back, and it's been running great. So I think it might have just been a little hiccup, or there was another update, so maybe it was the update that fixed it. Until then, keep on watching.